Hey everybody, Jake here with Clinical Exercise in the Spokane Valley. Thanks for liking and following our page on Clinical Exercise. Today I want to talk about how to avoid or how to deal with knee pain while running, or how to prevent it in other words. Oftentimes when you're running, especially if you're starting to ramp up your running, regardless of the mileage, you may experience some temporary knee pain, or if unaddressed, it may last a lot longer. So I'm going to give you the quick, simple go-tos for dealing with the most common problem that causes knee pain while running. And if you look at me in my position here, if you run and you notice any type of movement of your knee turning inward of your second toe while you run, that's going to be the leading cause of maltracking at the knee joint and therefore the pain. So the remedies that we're going to address to deal with that right off the bat is going to be IT band foam rolling. So again, we've covered some of this stuff before, but the IT band syndrome is most common in runners. It's very, very common and part of the dysfunction of running. So rolling your IT bands, and then second of all, we're going to roll the quad. So we're going to switch over this way and we're going to roll the thighs. Okay? Something a lot of people don't know is that if your thigh muscles become tight from prolonged sitting, which many of us, regardless of your age, if you're in school you're sitting, if you're driving you're sitting, if you're in an office job you're sitting, the shortening and tightening of the hip flexor complex actually reduces our ability to hip extend when we run, okay? That limitation of hip extension actually causes a neural imbalance, which can cause pinpoint tenderness right on top of the kneecap itself. So we want to roll the IT band, and then we actually want to do a lunge stretch, which is this position here. We're going to go into this position, we're going to clench the glute on the back leg, and we're gently going to move till we feel a stretch. Now, as we do this movement, if you watch, if I'm going all the way out here, I'm losing the benefit because I'm already arching my spine. You want to start upright, posteriorly tilt, flex the glute, and feel the stretch up the front. If you can get this to loosen up 9 times out of 10, that's going to improve the tracking and allow you to run without pain. So anyways, thanks for liking and following us. Share this with anybody you know that has knee pain.